So in this video, we want to learn how to create a Instagram leads scraper. What it does is that it helps you to get email leads, phone leads directly from Instagram. So whoever that have made their details on Instagram and all that, it will extract it for you. The way it works is that all you need to do now is just to click here and type whatever you want. Let's say, for instance, now I want doctors lead. Maybe I want to do business. I want to send business proposals to doctors in America. Let me put one of their city. Let me say doctors in Nevada. All I'll do here now is just to click here on generate leads. So it's going to generate leads for you. It will search on the internet, on Instagram, only on Instagram. All the people who have pasted that they are doctors, it will get their details, their contact details and all that. So all you need to do now is just to extract these details and put it in your bulk email sender and use it to send unlimited emails. Then secondly, again, you can also use this for your social media businesses. So I can paste all this now to, now if you look at it, this is how it works. Now this is the person's Instagram's account. This is their profile name. Why this the details that it has extracted and all that. Now, if you want to see all the details that it has extracted, you can scroll here. When you scroll here, you now see the text file. You can now download it and all that. Or you can now view. So I can just click here to view all the email address and all that. So what I'll do here is I can just click here on copy, put it in your notepad, put it in wherever you want to use it to send your email address and all that. So it's a very powerful software that you get contact leads, phone leads, and details on Instagram. Are you getting it? Now you can use it for all over the world. Are you getting it? So let me say I want to do real estate business. Let's say I want to do real estate in Lagos, Nigeria. So it will give me their contact details. I can now send details to them. So you can scrape email leads. You can scrape details. Maybe people doesn't have a website. You can use AI to build quick websites for them, and they'll pay for you and all that. Then also for your Instagram adverts, so it's very, very important you extract these emails and you use. So it is now extracting, it's depending on the speed of your internet. Then on our settings, I said on each of the pages, you extract 60 emails. Now on the settings, now I can change all these details and all that. Are you getting it? Okay. So now how do we now create this email leads? So now if you look at it now, all these are email leads from Nigeria and all that. Are you getting it? Okay. So now how do we now create this software? All you need to do is to get a master prompt. This is the master prompt. What this master prompt does is that it is over 30 something pages of prompt. Everything on this prompt has been coded and all that. So we've actually put all the coding details that you will need, everything that we use to create it, where you see the analytics and things like that, everything from the site name, the software name, the logo and everything. We've embedded everything in the master prompt. So in order for you to get this master prompt, you just join our AI software building community. Once you join it, you get this master prompt. You also get several master prompts, how you create Instagram, how you create TikTok extractor, how you create Google Map and all that. So several softwares that you can create it easily. So once you have this master prompt now, all I need to do now to create this exact software is to Control A and Control C. Let me just copy it and go to any of the AI or software builder. We have this one. It is called Lovable.dev. All I need to do is just to paste here and click here on run. We also have another one. It is called AI Studio, Google AI Studio. Let me just use this one. I'll just click here on paste. Once I click here on paste now, I'll click here on run. You get it. Depending on the speed of your internet, usually between 5 to 10 minutes or thereabouts, it's where people build the software. Once the software is done, you can just download it. If you join our community, we'll teach you how you download it, how you upload this to a free hosting or your paid hosting account if you have. We'll also teach you how to turn it to a full application. Are you getting it? Which is either an iPhone application or a Google Play application where you can install it on your Android phones and the rest. Okay. So now you're going to take so that you can see now that it's building it and all that. So I've told him everything that he needs to do. So it's building it. So now, in order for you, like as I said, you join our community, then also don't fail to visit our blog on a daily basis. We paste all kind of things that you can do with AI. Like if you look at this one, we have how you build booking websites, how you build all kind of websites and application and software using AI with strictly on master prompt, copy, paste. You don't need to know anything about web designing, about coding. We've done all the codings in the master prompt, everything it will work. Like for instance, now if you look at this, everything that work here, we've already encoded it and told the AI builder to generate this master prompt that will now use to build this site. Now, if you just go to ChatGPT and say, build me XYZ, it's going to generate rubbish for you. Most times, 100% it will not work and all that because under this code, we've actually put codings into it. We've put Python, HTML, CSS, everything that builds it. We've put them inside this master prompt. That's why the master prompt is so long. It's like a template. So if you know anything about web design, it is called templates that we've created into a prompt. Are you getting it? Let me check whether it has finished building it. So it's running now. I think it's almost true. So it will display it now. So once it's done, you just make little change like the software name, the software color. So if you look at it now, it's almost like the same thing with mine and all that. So you can see it now. I can now make different changes. I can say change the color, change the logo, change the site name, everything here. So when you join our community, we'll teach you how to do all that. So let me just test it. So let me just do something like let me say restaurants in Lagos. Okay. Maybe I want to get a lead. I want to do business with people who have restaurants in Lagos and all that. So give me their leads, or you want to do an advert for a restaurant in Lagos on Instagram, on TikTok, and the rest. So you download their email, upload it into the Meta server, and all that. It makes sure advert goes to the right users in Nigeria. So let me just do Nigeria here, and I'll just click your find. So depending on the speed of your internet, it's going to run. So this is a new one that I've done and all that. Okay, I think I click on find niches. So you can see these are the niches and all that, hidden gem boy and all that. I think I didn't even, you get it. So it will help you do all that. So if I want to search any of this now, I can just click here, then it will go and it will now search these your emails for you and different things like that. So that's how it works. So like as I said, in order for you to get this master prompt and several of our prompts we use to build website and software, all you need to do is to click the link. I'm going to paste the link in the description of this video and in the comments. All you need to do is just to click it and join our AI software community and all that. Thank you for watching this video.